When you try to picture a black hole, you probably imagine a sphere of perfect, silent darkness, a cold, empty void sitting quietly in the vacuum of space. For dormant black holes, that description is exactly right. This photograph captures a wide view of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. It serves as our baseline for understanding where these massive objects reside and the scales they typically reach. This is the glowing ring surrounding Sagittarius A star, the monster sleeping at the center of our galaxy. It contains the weight of 4 million suns. Its dark shadow is large enough to swallow our entire sun with plenty of room to spare. For a very long time, humanity viewed this 4 million sun weight class as the upper limit of how massive a gravity trap could become. Astronomers scanning the deepest edges of the night sky eventually found an anomaly in the constellation of Canes Venatici. They detected an impossibly bright beacon, shining with a ferocity that defied all logic. This object burns with the light of 140 trillion suns. It is so intensely powerful that it completely blinds our telescopes to the entire galaxy that surrounds it. We see only this point of light, which outshines every star in its home galaxy combined. Generating that power is TON 618, a black hole containing the mass of 66 billion suns. Because it makes the monster at the center of our galaxy look like a grain of sand, astronomers had to invent a new classification, an ultra-massive black hole. If you dropped our entire solar system into this object, it would vanish without even touching the sides. Our previous assumptions about the scale of the universe no longer applied. Unlike dormant black holes, TON 618 is actively feeding. When it feeds, it does not hide in the dark, it screams in the light. This is a whirlpool of gas, dust, and shredded stars millions of miles wide. As gravity drags this matter closer to the event horizon, it is crushed together in a tight, spiraling descent. The resulting friction is so violent that the gas heats up to billions of degrees, creating a blazing storm of plasma that outshines everything else in the surrounding universe. This glowing rain of fire is a quasar. It represents the blinding flash of matter being ripped apart and swallowed by a supermassive void. It is a cosmic funeral. The brightest phenomenon we can observe is actually the light of dying matter spiraling into a dark, devouring center. While its event horizon spans approximately 390 billion kilometers, the most difficult aspect of TON 618 to explain is not its width, but its age. This light travels across vast distances, meaning that looking far away is a form of look-back time. TON 618 is 10.4 billion light-years away, so we are seeing it as it looked when the universe was incredibly young. Our standard models of physics suggest black holes grow slowly. They start relatively small and spend billions of years merging and consuming gas to reach massive proportions. But TON 618 reached the mass of 66 billion suns near the very beginning of cosmic history. It simply did not have enough time to grow that large through known processes. A monster of this scale, existing so early in the timeline, challenges our current understanding of cosmic evolution. According to the models we use to describe the universe, its size at that age is a physical impossibility. We are left to wonder if it formed directly from the collapse of primordial dark matter, or if it fed on something in the early universe that remains unknown to us. At present, we have no definitive answer. The mechanism that produced such a titan so quickly remains a significant gap in our map of the early universe. And this leads to an unsettling thought. If we are seeing TON 618 as it was 10 billion years ago, what does it look like today? In the 10 billion years its light took to reach us, the black hole has continued to feed. It has remained hidden in the dark, dragging stars and entire galaxies into its belly. We will never know its current size, because it is too far away. We can only look at its ancient ghost, burning in the distant past. The universe is chaotic, and it is filled with silent titans that could erase entire worlds without making a single sound. We are temporary passengers on a tiny speck of dust, floating in a very big ocean.